Good day everyone, so here we have a new lesson which is about parallel structures. So let's first define what is a parallel structure. By definition, parallel structure is the same pattern of words to show that two or more ideas have the same level of importance. So meaning to say, parallel structure is a pattern in the sentence that helps show that the sentence has the same importance throughout the whole sentence. No word is the most important and no word is the least important. They are all equal. So we have three rules for parallel structures. The first rule, parallel structures must be joined with conjunctions. So here we have examples of conjunctions: and, or, but, yet, or, so. So note, you can use a conjunction or the beginning of a clause before all the verbs or clauses in a sentence, or only before the first one. So example, words. Verbs, singing, reading, to hike. Adverbs, gracefully, clearly, really loud. They are not parallel. So, why? They are not parallel because they have different grammatical structures. Again, when we say parallel structure, they are all equal. So they are not equal here because on the verbs we have singing, reading. They are both ending in ing. Then suddenly, to hike. The hike has an additional word to. So he has more words rather than singing and reading. Similar with gracefully, clearly. They are both ending with ly. Then really loud. Yes, it ends with ly, but it has another additional word, loud. So they are not equal. So they should be all the same. They should be equal with each other. So that is why they are not parallel. So they have different grammatical structures. So here, singing, reading, they are parallel, but the word to hike is not. So to change that, we just need to transform to hike into its ing form. So it becomes reading, singing, and hiking. And really loud, just delete really and turn loud into loudly. So we have gracefully, clearly, and loudly. So now they have the same grammatical structure. So using it in a sentence, Kate really likes singing, reading, or hiking. She sings gracefully, clearly, and loudly. So as you can see in the rule number 1, use conjunctions. So we have here, Katie really likes singing, reading, or the conjunction, or hiking. And she sings gracefully, clearly, and conjunction, and loudly. Rule number 2, a parallel structure that begins with clauses must keep the same clause. So again, going back to them being equal. So if one part of the sentence starts with a clause, so the others must do the same. A clause is a group of related words containing a subject and a verb. Example, that she may play, that she may make, to sleep. So, they are not parallel. Again, they are not grammatically parallel. The first two, that she may play, that she may play, that she may make. So, they are similar. Then suddenly, to sleep, only two words. So, they are not equal. So, let us just change to sleep into following this similar format, that she may sleep. So it becomes that she may play, that she may make, and that she may sleep. So using it in a sentence, when my friend came over to my house, I told her that she may play volleyball with my brother, and I that she may make dinner with us, and that she may sleep at my house. And rule number three, when you are listing items, use parallel structure. So here we have wearing his Batman costume, phone calls that come from the commissioner, and saving Gotham City. The phrase isn't the same tense as the others, so wearing his Batman costume, phone calls that come from the commissioner, and saving Gotham City. So, we must what? We must change the second one, since the first one and the third one both has ing in their verbs, so they are the same. So, and the middle one or the second one is not the same, so we need to change it so that they may be equal or they may become parallel structures. So rather than phone calls that come from the commissioner, it becomes wearing his Batman costume, answering the commissioner's phone calls, and saving Gotham City. So using it in a sentence, Bruce Wayne enjoys wearing his Batman costume, answering the commissioner's phone calls, and saving Gotham City. So the list is now parallel because they are all in the same tense. They are all in the same ing forms. So how does parallel structure help us? Parallel structure applies to writing and is extremely useful because it helps add clarity to one's writing. Using parallel structures also helps increase the readability of one's writing. So, that is all for our lesson for today. So, I hope you understand. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And that is all. Goodbye.